Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, today we have a really cool launcher to look at, and this is actually called the 3D Effects Launcher. Now, when I first heard about this and saw it, I kind of thought, okay, this is going to be a gimmick. You know, I'll download it, look at it, and if it is good, I'll make a video. And honestly speaking wise, it is actually pretty good, and I was not expecting that. It's one of those launches where I've got the launcher and I expect it to be crap, and it ended up being really cool. So the whole point of this launcher is the 3D effects. So you guys can see the background of my wallpaper. It is a live wallpaper counting the seconds, minutes, and hours of the exact time. We also have leaves in the right hand corner which blow away after every single other second. Now you can control that by going down to effects right down here. You guys have a finger, transition, live, edge, and photo. So for example, right now I have live. I could turn those leaves off. We have edge, which is, let's see what this is. Okay, so you got borders. You can have colorful borders around your device. That's kind of cool. And then photo, paper, bubbles, or okay. This honestly is so freaking cool. How customizable this actually is, I really do like. And now you can make bubbles pop up behind your screen. And for you guys, it looks a little bit more laggy than it is for me, just because of the fact that you're guys watching back a actual what's it called, recording. I clicked on waves. Oh, that's cool. So the waves, you guys can't see it, but the waves are just like going across the screen. That is actually really dope. Right here we have, oh, I kind of like that one. So it's like the atmosphere. Well, not the atmosphere, it's like, you know, space, like, you know, like stars and stuff. That's really cool. So cool launch. I really didn't think it was gonna be really that dope, in all honesty. We got a laughing face that just rolls around the screen, and you can, oh wow, you can actually control it as you move around your phone. This is so weird but funny at the same time. You can actually control it as you move around your phone. That's really cool. You also have a different one right here, which is you can control what you want the background to be. So either rain, showers, snow, snowflakes, stars, anything pretty much. As you guys can see, stars, what stars look like? Okay, so it just looks like that. And then we have raindrops. That's cool. That is definitely awesome. Like I said, I did not expect this launcher to be really that good going into it. So the fact that it actually is really good is actually really cool. All right, so next thing we have here, let's go ahead and talk about real fast, is a 3D wallpaper. So 3D wallpapers for this device. I'm going to go to live wallpaper right here. As you guys can see, I scroll down. A lot of different wallpaper you can go ahead and get for free. Not even buying the premium version, which is cool. The one I had was the analog clock right there, but you could also get, for example, this one right here, which is like, looks like a space type of theme, which honestly, in my opinion, looks really dope. So let's go ahead and see. Hopefully it actually loads. It's always weird whenever I'm recording these videos, because I am casting my Surface Duo to my computer, and I'm always just scared one day it's just gonna crash, and I'm just like, bruh. I have not had this device crash, knocking on wood right now, boys and girls, in a very long time. This phone has been so good compared to, obviously, what some people have said about this device. Okay, so I don't think it's gonna launch. Okay, let's try that again, because I think it's a little buggy right now. Yeah, and okay, here we go. Set wallpaper, and my wallpaper is set. And it's let's go ahead and get out of this. Oh, let's try that again. And there you go, a space theme in the background, which is so minimalistic. I actually freaking love it. So let's try it in phone mode. Oh, okay. It glitched a little bit in phone mode. Okay, I'll definitely say it's glitching a lot in phone mode right now. It's definitely glitching a lot in phone mode. And I can't get out of this screen. Alright, hang on. Okay, there we go. Alright. In phone mode, it actually... Okay, it's working. It's working, boys and girls. In phone mode, it actually looks pretty good. It actually reminds me in the way of an iPhone. And I'm not trying to compare every single launcher to an iPhone, but I kind of have to. I mean, obviously, because when you look at it, it kind of does look like an iPhone. When you go ahead and scroll over to the left-hand side here, by the way, you do go ahead and get a lot of information. First off, you get your weather at the top. You get your calendar at the middle right here. You get your battery percentage. You also go ahead and get your storage amount. And then as you go down, you just get different news, you know, articles, just like always in a lot of these launchers. We see that there's a lot of like news articles that are added to these launchers. And that's pretty much that. In order to get to your app drawer, all you go ahead and do is swipe up. And just like that, it's going to go ahead and load sponsored content, because this is a free version of this. I did not know I actually had sponsored content. But anyway, though, when you get to the app drawer, you'll just go ahead and scroll up, and then you have all your applications right here. I'm not sure how this is going to work with the sponsored content. Let's see, can I get out of that? I'm hoping it looks like I can. There we go. So if I go ahead and load up like just like that, I have all my applications all ready to go right on my device right there. I swipe up again, it goes away, and bam, I have everything right there. I will definitely say, you know, I've been giving a lot of good grades to a lot of these launchers as of late, and I gotta give it a good grade. I'm not trying to, you know, like just be that guy about this, but it really is a cool launcher. You get the ability to have live wallpaper, live effects. I'm sorry for everyone at home, but I have to do it. I just kind of like, I liked it. I like it, bro. I like the laughing face one. Like, bro, it's just funny. I would literally spend too much time just messing around with this. But you do go ahead and get a lot of cool effects with this launcher. It really does, in my opinion, do everything you need to do. Plus, it's very minimalistic. Plus, it's very just fun to mess around with. So, I'm going to give it a 9. And I know that's probably I think that's the highest grade we've given a launcher yet. And I got to say, personally speaking, I stand behind my rating. That's a really, really good launcher, and I'm excited to see what else we have to offer when it comes to other launchers. But if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button down below. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.